Greetings, it's Maxo Diddley, and today I am here with another type of length check using JavaScript. So let's get right into it. Today we'll be checking if the size of a string is equal to a specified size. So we're going to do function, length check, input and size. So it's a function, it's going to be called length check. Our first parameter is for string we want to check the length of. And our second parameter is the size we want our string to be. And inside we do return input.length = size. We're going to be checking if the size or how many characters our string has is equal to a specified number. If they match, it's true. If it doesn't, it's false. Let's say we did the name Bill and our size was 4. Well, we'll be checking if 4 is equal to 4. It would be true because they're equal. But let's say we did Frank, which has 5 characters and the size of 4. We'll be checking if 5 is equal to 4. Since it's not, we return false. So how do we use this function? Well, I'll be doing a console log statement. You can put this anywhere in your JavaScript project. This is going to work for your website, for your server, for your Unity game, whatever you're doing. But I'll be putting it in a console log. And we call our function, so we do length check. We put in a string we want to check the size of. It can be a variable or just a raw string. And then you put in the size you want. I have also inserted a little function I've made. This just keeps the console open until we hit enter, so we can properly look at the output. You do not need this and it has nothing to do with the length check. But there's an eye up in the corner if you are curious. So we're going to play after saving our work. And it's true because 4 is equal to 4. Name is 4 characters long. But if we put name 1, 2. Well, now it's false because they're not equal anymore. What if we did a 7? No, what if we did a 6? Well, they're equal again. Thanks for being a great audience. Be sure to leave a like in the comment if you enjoyed and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials.